Hi guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhania. Today we've got a beautiful collection of designer fabrics that can be perfect to recreate in the wedding or any kind of parties that you have in mind. So let me show you. So here in our first fabric, we've got this very beautiful maroon red blood kind of shade of georgette fabric. Now this georgette fabric is perfect because during the summers you would require some fabric that is a little bit more breathable. Although the work all over it is perfect, now the color itself is really beautiful for any skin complexion. So it would match you in any kind of outfits, be it day or be it night. So if you wanted to recreate something beautiful with this fabric for a sangeet or reception or even for your wedding, this fabric would look very beautiful on you. Now all over this you can see this gorgeous pastel work thread embroidery that has been done over the fabric, and you can see the sequin work which is closer to the shade of the fabric itself. So entirely the fabric could be made into a very gorgeous lehenga for yourself. Now in our next fabric, this is also a very gorgeous pastel shade of net fabric. Again, this is really beautiful and it gives a nice designer look. If you wanted to create any kind of sangeet, reception or even a pre-engagement or any engagement party looks like a lehenga or a gown or a long frock too, this fabric would be the fabric for it because you can customize this into everything that I mentioned. Now the perfect part about this fabric is that it's quite lightweight yet heavy. So the net fabric gives a nice breathable touch to the fabric, and all of the kaddana work and sequin work together in this really nice abstract kind of design gives a really beautiful pattern to the entire fabric. So if you wanted to create a gown with this kind of pattern, it would look really gorgeous and it would look just like a designer gown. Now in our next fabric here, I've been talking about everything you can recreate for women's wear, but we've got something perfect for men's wear too. Here we have this very beautiful beige neutral shade of georgette fabric which would be perfect to create a men's wear kurta or sherwani for the wedding too. If you want to create a nice engagement look or a wedding look, or even if you want to create a sangeet look and wear something in neutral shades, this fabric would be perfect for it. You've got amazing thread embroidery all over it in nice ivory shades, and you've got sequin work which is done in nice silver color. So the entire thing gives a very beautiful contrast and it complements very well on the fabric. To customize this into a nice outfit, this fabric would be the perfect one for it. Now here in our next fabric, we've got the perfect fabric for a night look because this color gives a really nice and rich look. It's in a very nice dark shade kind of blue color which looks really perfect. Now you can create the perfect gown or a short frock or any kind of dresses with this kind of fabric for your kids too because of the pleated lycra fabric, which is perfect because of how lightweight it is, and it would be perfect because it won't be very itchy, it will be very comfortable for you as well. Now if you want to create any engagement, reception, cocktail party looks too for the wedding, you can create a nice gown with this too for the women as well. Or if anybody in the preteens wants to create something really beautiful, this fabric again would be the perfect fabric for it. Now here we've got another beautiful shade of lycra pleated fabric which is in a nice dark bold black color which gives a very rich and elegant look. This is perfect for any kind of nighttime looks, any receptions or parties that you have. This fabric would really make you stand out because you can recreate literally anything with this. Be it a blazer, be it a suit, be it a lehenga, anything that you want to create, this fabric would look beautiful on it. And if you want to create anything for kids wear too, any cute frocks you want to create for your daughters, this fabric would look very nice and very elegant. And it has this really nice heavy sequin work all over it which gives a really nice effect to it and a nice shine in the light. Now another fabric that can be turned into a gorgeous designer piece is this beautiful dull yellow color, almost goldish raw silk fabric. Now this fabric is perfect to create a sherwani or a nice kurta as well because of how nice and textured the fabric is. It gives a very rich and elegant look, and all over this you can see this really nice dull pastel shade of embroidery work which gives a very nice and elegant effect. So if you want to go for a regal look but you want to look minimal, this is the kind of color and fabric that would look perfect for you for any menswear collection. So if you look at the embroidery work, it's done in nice white embroidery, and there are sequin work done, and there are pastel work done in the border of this fabric too, which could be perfect if you are creating a sherwani or a vest too. So if you want to make anything like that for your engagement or for your sangeet or any kind of wedding occasions, this fabric would look really beautiful on you. Now here we've got another beautiful pleated lycra fabric which is very gorgeous. The shade of it is in a nice sea blue turquoise kind of shade which gives a very pastel look, yet it is perfect for the day out too. So if you're creating any outfits for the morning weddings, or you want to create something really gorgeous for a long gown and you want to stand out in a nice pastel shade, this fabric would be that fabric for you, because you can create any kind of long frocks, gowns, bodycon dresses too with this kind of fabric, because it will drape beautifully on your body and it will fit you like a glove in whatever way you customize. So the lycra makes it really nice for a stretchable look, and the breathable fabric also makes it really nice for the summer season if you're looking for something breathable. Now all over this you can see this gorgeous tiny sequin work that has been done in silver shade, which gives a beautiful light and reflection to the entire fabric. Now here in our next fabric, we've got this very beautiful gold shade of net fabric. Now a gold shade would be perfect to create any wedding outfits because of how gorgeous and how regal this fabric looks, and the color also screams rich. So if you want to create anything with a beautiful net fabric, this fabric would look really nice on you. For a nice regal charm, or if you want to go for a royal kind of look, this gold net fabric is perfect because of the beautiful kathana work that you see on it and the sequin work, and it's been done in a very nice pattern and design which gives a very rich and princess kind of feel. So if you want to create a gorgeous lehenga, or you want to create any shararas or anarkalis too, this fabric would look really perfect on you. Now here we've got another really nice fabric for the menswear collection. This is a gorgeous georgette fabric which is a nice pastel shade, perfect to create any minimal and elegant outfits. Now if you wanted to customize this fabric into a beautiful kurta or a sherwani or even a nice waistcoat or any kind of menswear outfits you have in mind for the wedding, it'll look really gorgeous, because as you know, pastel shades are always trending these days during weddings. So even if the men want to create something really nice for themselves, this fabric would be that fabric for it. Now we've got beautiful white, almost beige shade of embroidery work that has been done all over this really nice light pink pastel color of georgette fabric. The embroidery work is in a nice floral embroidery, and the borders you can see, it's not too heavy yet it looks really elegant. So it's really nicely done all across it, which looks really beautiful. So if you wanted to create any outfits for the menswear, it would be perfect. If you want to create an anarkali too for the women's wear, this fabric would look beautiful on you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe and comment down in our section if you have any more details, and like our video. And if you want to follow us on more social media pages, you can follow us on Fabric by Singhanias. And if you want to know more about our customizations, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.